Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the rubber won't be damaged. Test a tiny hidden area so you know how it reacts. Once done, blot any fresh marker with a dry microfiber to remove surface ink. Do not rub hard because that spreads pigment. Next, dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl 70% and lightly dab the test spot to see if ink lifts. This step prevents irreversible damage and tells you which solvent strength will work safely. You now focus on removing visible pigment. Apply solvent with fresh cotton swabs, working from the stain's outer edge toward the center to avoid spreading. Make short, gentle circular motions. Pressure can abrade or deform the rubber surface, so let the solvent lift the ink rather than force it. If isopropyl fails, switch to a melamine sponge or a soft rubber eraser. These lift embedded marks through light abrasion. Change swabs frequently so you're not redepositing ink back onto the rubber. You finish by removing solvent residue. Wash the area with mild soap and water, then rinse and pat dry to prevent sticky buildup. Make sure to inspect the spot after drying because some marker pigments return as they oxidize. If necessary, repeat the solvent and blot cycle or step up to a higher isopropyl percentage cautiously. If you see discoloration or surface change, stop. That indicates permanent staining or material reaction. A final tip: avoid heat and harsh chemicals that can warp or degrade rubber.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.